Hey guys, welcome back. Today we have an unboxing and from Federale Espresso, FedEx. Yeah, and I'm feeling a bit sick. I think I'm going down with some cold or something, and this is exactly what I need here. So let me show you without further ado. I need some oranges, some vitamins and whatnot. So I got a package today. It's been a bit of a delay, but I'm gonna use my new SEIKO Manix 2 that Alex sent me, so cheers man. I would put it to the test, and that's why we use EDC knives. Let's see how this bad boy cuts. Look at this. That's some SEIKO stuff here. Sharp as a razor. Okay, I have here something orange, and even on the box top here it's orange. I don't know, someone messed in the customs with this one, but yeah, you can see from the title there. But yeah, it has some orange vitamins. Oranges are full of vitamin C, and here I have some package materials. I think definitely someone in the customs went over this, but yeah, this is a watch I've been wanting for a long time. Oh yeah, love it guys. Always wanted to have an orange monster. I had a couple of black ones. I even did a review of a black one, but the orange is where it's at, and kind of always missed me, eluded me. I had something more important to buy. I never got around to it. So yeah, to answer the question from the couple of videos, I got an orange monster and I'm over the moon. I have a couple of straps. I have some new straps, but I'm gonna leave that to the new video. But right after this one, I'm gonna make that one because I need to test it. And this is a SEIKO Z20 band, and it's very soft. It's not like the old ones. I love it. It's soft. But I have an orange monster. It's working straight out of the box. I did shook it a couple times until I got home. Some bezel action. Yeah, I love monsters, and I love black monster. It looks awesome, but the orange monster is where it's at, and this is the first generation orange monster. I think this is the one to have. I like the one the most. Second generations is cool, but first generation is simply iconic, and this is iconic watches. And speaking of iconic watches, I have my wristwatch check. I have my Subby here, Submariner, but this one goes on the back burner because I have a new toy to play, and this is exactly what I needed. Some vitamins, SEIKO vitamins, some orange vitamins C to get me to feel better, and I love it. It's for a reason. This is an icon, and I'm over the moon guys. So that's it. I'm just gonna cut this video here. I have some really cool straps from SEIKO, you know those, and I actually got the straps before I got the watch, so I'm really happy. Just cut this here. I actually have to go outside to do some errands, but after that I'm going back and to try on some strap options. So stay tuned for the next video. I have some awesome straps. I don't like the rubbers. I think there's nothing wrong with it, but I just kind of feel some aftermarket straps which guys from SEIKO send me. So yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching guys. Thank you once more. And I also in the upcoming days I will have some collection updates, and I went to visit my friends. We finally got around to shooting his watch collection. There's a massive collection. I'm gonna put that video in part 1, 2, 3, and they're gonna be long because he has so many cool watches. But now I think this is the coolest of them all. The orange monster just really it has a ton of personality and it's really badass watch. I cannot recommend this one enough, and I'm so happy with the orange. It really pops on your wrist, and I can't wait for the summer now because I'm gonna wear it, but I'm gonna wear it in the snow and every day. And definitely when you get a new watch and you know it's a good one, that's because the one you were wearing on your wrist, it doesn't matter if it's a Submariner or some other cool watch you have, but when that goes on the back burner, now it's gonna take a rest. I'm gonna wear my Monster. So stay tuned, guys, for another videos. There will be some strap options for next one and some awesome collection videos. So thank you for watching. Just wanted to share this little unboxing with you guys. So thank you once more. See you.